Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to do a spark plug change on a 2002 to 2004 Chevy Tracker. I've never touched the truck before, but it's my mom's and she wants me to change the spark plug. So I wanted you guys to see how easy it is for somebody that has never worked on this car before, besides the oil changes, to actually change the spark plug. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you guys the tools necessary and also the spark plugs that I'm going to use. Now, I'm not getting paid for the spark plugs from Autos, but I'm going to put the link down in the description below on Amazon, which is my affiliate link. I get paid for that. So if you guys need to do the oil changes or the spark plug change, you guys can always, go down there and purchase it on your own. And also the tools that I'm using, I'll throw it on Amazon on my affiliate link. You guys don't have to purchase it from there, but it does help the channel out. And yeah, let's get to it. So these are the spark plugs. It's going to be a 41-800. Those are the ones we're using, and we're getting 6 of them because this car is a V6. So you're gonna need an extension for a 3/8 ratchet. This little that moves like an L or something. I don't know what it's called. I'll get the name on there. Then you have your spark plug socket here. It's a 5/8 going to a 3/8, and then you have your little snub nose screwdriver. If you have a larger one, it'll be better, but anything will do. And then obviously your ratchet, some little anti-seize thread lubricant, and some gloves. So don't forget to put these on. You don't want to dirty your hands. And let's get started. All right, guys, here we are. Let's put our gloves on. We got more than a pair. Let's go. All right, so obviously you're gonna want to open up the door. You want to open up the hood, and you go over here. Lift this up a bit, and then you're gonna feel a lever. Just push that lever to the right, lift up, and there you have it. That's the engine. Then we're gonna use that little stick there to hold the engine up. All right, so looking at this engine, I know it's a V6 because it says there V6. V6 engines have cylinders shooting in a V-shaped form, so I know that the spark plugs are going to be on the side of the engine. So there's 2 screws holding this cap on. We'll take off the other side. Okay. Voila, I was right. So you have your ignition coils and the spark plugs on this side. Don't break it, but try to pull off the connectors, each one. There you go, perfect. So it's not difficult to know how they're assorted. It's kind of like, closest to the right will be the first one, then the middle, and then obviously the back. And it looks like a size 8, so let's get a size 8 socket and let's get it out of there. Okay, we're gonna use a small little ratchet. Don't worry, I'll put it in the description. Definitely don't lose that. Okay, you want to inspect these here. Just like the Prius, I do see, some browning there. But, oh, look at that. See, what is that? Melting? Looks really bad. Buy some new ones. I mean, if they work, right? But just to be safe, I'll put it here. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's just old and not too bad. There's not much corrosion on the tip, but I guess it's okay to change it. All right, here's a new one. Looks brand spanking new. And let's do a comparison. New one versus old. Now, AutoZone did recommend to put some thread lubricant on there, so we're gonna open it up and put a small dab on there. Nothing crazy. Uh-oh. Don't get none on the on the top there. So what you want to do is just kind of like spread that downward. There you go. Perfect. Sorry. Let's go here. All right. you want to hand thread these in, guys. Hand tighten it as much as you can. A little bit more. There you go. All right, there you go. Perfect. Oh, well, this is already loose. Yeah, I guess that's helpful to me, right? This is bad for... Okay, let's look at this one again. Nothing crazy. Oh, look at that. There's a rip. She might want to replace these soon. Oh yeah, look at that. This is just cracked. These are bad. Oh man, horrible. Probably why she's having startup problems. All right, let's do it. Okay, look at this one. This one doesn't look that bad either, but let's replace it. There you go. Not too tight, guys. You know what? Let me do a little bit just to be safe. There you go. Let's put this one back. Take note, the second one was cracking or cracked. Oh. Pop this guy out. Oh, look at this. Look, why is this one brand spanking new? This one out of the three, 1 out of 3 is new. Wow. Okay, that's strange. And it's all right. Look. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at the difference. Even the color, like this isn't as dark. Obviously it's used, but there's more, like it's actually working. This one looks like it's actually working perfectly fine. All right, let's replace it. Put the thread on. Perfect. Go. Now let's put it back on. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next side. All right, guys. This is the other side. Let's do it. So yeah, these are the screws I was telling you guys about right here underneath the valve cover or whatever this cover is called. Had nearby actually, you know. Back here. All right, guys. Let's put that cover on. Let's connect them. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Come in here. All right, let's inspect this one, guys. You know, see if there's any tear on here. No, but there's like crust there. I don't know how that happened. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it just looks old, you know? All right, let's put it back. All right, look at this. This is, oh, yeah, really bad. Well, not too bad. You know, it's just, it looks like it's burning normal. I do see some buildup right at the tip. It's like really, really white. You see that? A small buildup. A little bit more. There you go. Too much. It's okay. See, this is a smaller socket. It's a little tight, but it's okay. It's just to get in. It works, you know, it gets the job done, so I'm not too concerned. Perfect. Oh, look at that. There's oil there. You know, if you see oil there, that means you're gonna need a new valve cover. All right. Looks like there's crust there. Don't know what that is. Could be something melted there. Looks dusty. I mean, it doesn't really look too bad. Okay, not too bad. Let's drop this guy in. There you go. Take that off. Let's do it by hand now. Okay, I'm gonna attach this guy here. Let's see, can you guys see me? We're gonna attach this guy here, and we're gonna see if we can take it out that way. Don't worry, we'll get it out. It'll come out. There you go, easy peasy. See? Come on, guys. This one looks like it's burning normal. I do see that white tip again. But this one looks good. Let's put some anti-seize on here. Looks perfect. Let's go ahead and I've never put anti-seize on here, but hey, you know what? If AutoZone said it, let's do it. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, so you just gotta mess with it here, but you know, I was able to get it out, guys. Check how it looks, guys. All right, I heard a good connection, but look at all that. God, this is bad, man. This is really bad. It just looks so old, you know? I mean, they're not ripped. It just looks really, really bad, you know? Looks like they need to be changed already. Could be wrong. You guys in the comment, please let me know. Looks like nobody ever changed them before. Just look at that. It just looks bad. All right. All right. So add the other stuff. Perfect. Please, you guys are watching me do it. And look at this one. This one, not bad either. So it seems like the right side, or closest to the driver, is a lot cleaner than the ones on the passenger. So something's going on the passenger side that my mom needs to start thinking about, which I might believe it's because of the middle ignition coil that's ripped. You know, maybe they're compensating for that ignition coil, so they're burning or they're darkening a lot faster. All right, there you go. But don't worry, we're gonna just wipe that guy right in. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Alright, perfect. Put these back on, guys. Okay, remember, closest, far back, then the center, and then the last. Self-explanatory. Hopefully you guys don't mess up, but if you do, hey, don't worry about it. We all make mistakes. I'm not gonna yell at you like your father. Just kidding, guys. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Boom! All right, guys, that's it. That's it. I turn the car on to make sure it works and that the car doesn't blow up. Blows up. You didn't see anything. Alright, perfect. So that's how you do a spark plug change on a Chevy Tracker or any car, you know, in general. You don't necessarily need to look at this video and say this is specifically for this car. You just use the same knowledge that you saw here onto the next car. You look for where you see the spark plugs, take them out, you know, take the spark plugs out and boom, you know. It's not a difficult job, anybody can do it, and good luck. Hopefully everybody clicks on that link below and buys my stuff. Alright, see you guys, bye.